Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See me again in Advanced English Structure. Today we are going to talk about adverbial clauses. By the way, do you know what an adverb is for? Adverb in a sentence can be to describe verb, to describe adjective, or to describe another adverb. Now look at how adverbs work in every sentence in these examples. In the first sentence, the adverb quickly is to answer how she ran. In the second sentence, the adverb very is to answer the question how beautiful she is. Meanwhile, in the third sentence, the adverb very is to answer the question how quickly she ran. And in the sentences, adverb is not always a word. It could be a phrase or a clause. Though they are different in form, but actually the function is still the same. They modify the verb ran. There are 7 types of adverbial clauses that you have to know. First is adverbial clauses of place that gives you information about location. The second is adverbial clauses of time which tell us when something happens. Third is adverbial clauses of reasons that give us information about why something happens. The fourth is adverbial clauses of condition which tell us the condition or in what situation something might happen. The fifth is adverbial clauses of comparisons which compare one to another. The sixth is adverbial clauses of contrast which tell us an opposition one to another. And the last is adverbial clauses of the result which tell us the result of something happens. These 3 sentences have adverbial clauses. In the first sentence, the clause wherever she goes is to describe where the dog follows. The words after his dad found him is called as an adverbial clause because it is to describe the word happy. The words because his grandma passed away is an adverbial clause. Why? Because it answered the questions why he was very sad. The clause if the weather is good is to describe the word go. In what condition I will go. In this sentence, the clause then he looks is to describe how old he is. The clause although Ron is super lazy is actually to describe the word smart. The word super lazy gives a contrast to the word smart. The adverbial clause that every man in the class likes her is to describe the word beautiful, how beautiful May is. To sum up, adverbial clauses never become an object, never become a noun modifier. They work as a verb modifier, adjective modifier, or another adverb modifier. That's all about adverbial clauses. If you still have many questions, please feel free to ask in real-time session. See you around and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.